Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an alcoholic. Sober today by the grace of God and the principles and the fellowship of the program of Alcoholics Anonymous. But I need to tell you something. I tried to quit drinking more times than I can count. And every time I meant it. I just couldn't do it on my own. I wasn't someone who didn't care. I cared a lot. I'd wake up and say, I'm done, I'm not drinking. And then the next thing I know, I'm hammered. What I didn't understand at the time was this. I didn't just have a drinking problem. I had a void. And I was trying to fill that void with alcohol. And now, no matter how much I poured into it, I never stayed full. It might work for a second, but it always came back. I just got to the place where I had to be honest with myself. I couldn't do this on my own. And that was hard to admit because I wanted to be the one in control. But the truth was, trying to do it alone was the very thing keeping me stuck. So I stopped trying to fight it by myself. I didn't get sober because I got stronger. I got sober when I finally surrendered. And for me, that meant turning to God and getting around other people who understood what I was going through. That's what Alcoholics Anonymous gave me. It gave me a way out of myself. Because the problem wasn't just the alcohol. It was me trying to live my own life. Today I'm sober, not because I figured everything out, but because I don't have to do it alone anymore. And if you're where I was, lost, broken, and alone, feeling tired and honestly just done, there is a way out. I'm going to keep sharing what helped me because I know what it feels like to be there. If that's you, you're not alone.